This is how to play Akudingwa Nasibani. The original key of the song is the key of F sharp, right? But in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys, and then I'll break it down after. So it says, Akudingwa Nasibani ngo bajesu lilanga, and then you repeat the same thing. Bam, ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba. And then there's another part that says ba 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 ba, right? Ba 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 right? So let's break it down. It starts right here on C sharp major chord, which is also known as our number 1. From this chord, it comes to our number 4, which is F sharp major, second inversion. I won't be explaining all the chords to you guys in this video. If you want to learn more, you can join our private community. Here's my WhatsApp number up there. Just send me a message on WhatsApp to get more details, okay? So from C sharp major, it goes to F sharp major, second inversion, which is also known as our number 4, but it's a second inversion, okay? So it's 1, 4, 1, and then you come to C sharp major, second inversion. It is also known as our number 1, but it's a second inversion, okay? From this one, it comes to number 5, which is G sharp major chord, our number 5. And then from our number 5, it goes to our number 4, which is F sharp major chord. And then from here, you go to F sharp major, second inversion, down here, right? This chord and this chord, they're the same. This is also a number 4, but it's a second inversion, okay? Let's repeat again. 1, and then 4, 1, 1, 5, 4, and then 4. I hope you understand. And then from here, it goes to 1 again, but down here, okay? You're gonna go to 1, our C sharp major, 1. Right? From here, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 4, 5, 1. This is what is also 1, but it's a first inversion. Okay? For the last time, 1, 4, 1, 1, 5, 4, 4. And then you go to 1, 1, 5, 1, 5, 4, 5. This is also our number 5, okay? If you want to know all these things, just send me a message on WhatsApp. So from this 5, you go to 1, a C sharp major, first inversion. C sharp major, first inversion. Okay? We are done with the first part. I'm going to introduce the bass. So when you start, when you hit your first chord, on the left, you go to 1. Because on the right, you are pressing your first chord, C sharp major, and then on the left, you're also going to number 1. And then you stay there until you play 4 1 4. Sorry, 4 1 1 5 4. And then when you hit 4, also on the left you go to 4. Let's repeat it again. It's 1 on the left, you are on also number 1, and then you go to 4 1 1 5 4, and then from here you come to this 4 4. On the left you are still on number 4, and then when you go to number 1, on the left you go to number 5. Okay, and then you stay there until you say 5 1 5 4 5 1. You only change when you hit this chord, which is C sharp major, first inversion. All right, so let's repeat it again for the last time, and then we're gonna move to the second part. 1 1 4 1 1 5 4, and then 4, and then you go to 5 when you hit number 1. From here 5 1 5 4 5 1. Okay, we are done with the first part, so we're gonna jump to the second part. The second part starts right here on our number 5. Right, it's 5 na 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 na. Right, we're gonna start with that part. It's gonna say you're gonna hit 5 from 5 4 5 1 2 5 1. For the last time, 5 4 5 1 2 5 1. From here you're gonna say 2 1. Okay, right? So from 1 you're gonna go to 1 to 4. From 4 you go to 1 1 5. Sorry, you go to 4 4 1 1 2 1 5. Let's repeat it again. 4 4 1 1 2 1 5. Okay, and then you play the first part again, where it says na 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 na. It's the same thing. Okay, it's the same thing. At the end of the song, you just play the first part. So we are done with both parts. I'm gonna introduce our bass on the second part. Okay, when you hit number 5, because it starts on number 5, right? Also on the left, you go to number 5. You're gonna stay on number 5 until you say 5 4 5 1 2 1 2 5 1, and then you go to you go to number 1. When you hit your number 1 on the right, also on the left you go to number 1. For the last time, 5 4 5 1 2 5 1, and then you're gonna go to 2 1. When you hit number 1 on the right, on the left you go to number 3. This is called the slash chord. It's called the slash chord. It's called 1/3, but I won't be explaining that in this video. All right. For the last time, 5 4 5 1 2 5 1, and 2 3. From here you're gonna go to 4. Right, 4 on the left you go to 4, and then from here you're gonna go to 3, and then you stay there until you play 1, and then you go to 2. When you hit this chord, you go to 6 on the left, and then 5. For the last time, On the left, I'm gonna explain the left. 4, 3, 2. Sorry, 4. It's 4, right? 3, 2, 6, 5. Okay, and then you play the first part. Bum, 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 bum. We are already done with that part, so I'm gonna play the second part from the beginning. Okay, I'm sure that you understood everything that I said in this video, guys. Let's start second part. 5, 4, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, on the left you're on number 3, but on the right you're on number 1, right? Sorry for that mistake. And then you go to 4. Alright, and then you play the first part at the end of the song. And then from here, okay, so let's play the whole thing. I hope you understood. 1, 2, and again for the second time. Go back to the first part. Okay, I hope you saw it, guys. Until we meet again, God bless you.